Hello friends, today I would like to share one more interview question what one of my friend faced here. There is a table with only one column with the proper identity property. So and we need to insert the data without turning on identity property and okay, how do we need to generate the numbers automatically? So in that case, now create I'm creating one table in the database called text. Sir, if I insert if I want to insert the data only in columns, you can use default values. Okay, what so that you are not, I'm not turning on the identity property. So now if I go here, yeah, I got it. Now if I see, I got one number. If I want 10 more record, you just use this one. And if you go like this, see, so I can generate it, the numbers without turning on identity property for the table. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.